Welcome to the students again. We are to solving the exercise 2.4. Exercise 2.4. In previous lecture, we are to solving the question number 9. Some examples are solved in this question. Question is find maximum and minimum. Maximum and minimum of the following. Of the following functions. In this question, we are solving the first two examples. First two examples are solved. Now we are to solving the next examples. Number 3 is similar with the first and second. So we solve the example number 4. And that example is fx equal to x square plus 16 upon x square. 16 upon x square. X square. 16 upon x square. Okay. So example is 16 upon x square function equal. Now process to calculate the maximum value and minimum value. First step, taking the derivative of given function. So differentiate with respect to x. So we get f dash x equal to derivative of x square is 2x plus 16 derivative of 1 upon x square. See this derivative of the 1 upon x square. 1 upon x square written as x raised to minus 2. So derivative of this will be minus 2 multiply x raised to minus 2 and minus 1. That will be minus 2 multiply x raised to minus 3. We apply the x raised to n. And this term is written as minus 2 upon x cube. So derivative of this function is minus 2 upon x cube. X cube. So that will be f dash x equal to 2x. 16 multiplied 2, that is minus 32 upon x. That is first derivative. Again differentiate. We get second derivative. Derivative of 2x is 2 minus 32 constant. Separately calculate the derivative of 1 upon x cube. It will be written as x raised to minus 3. Derivative is minus 3 multiply x raised to minus 3 and minus 1. So minus 3 multiply x raised to minus 4. Okay. So this derivative is minus 3 divided by the x raised to 4 equal to minus minus plus 32 multiply 3, we get 96 upon x raised to 4. That is the second derivative. Now next step, for maximum and minimum. we put f dash x equal to 0. So we get 2x minus 32 upon x cube equal to 0. 2x minus 32 upon x cube equal to 0. Then we simplify this term. So we get 2x equal to 32 upon x cube. Cross multiplication, we get 2x raised to 4 equal to 32. X cube multiply 2x. X raised to 4 equal to 16, 32 upon 2. And if we are taking the fourth root, that will be plus or minus 2. This implies that x equal to plus 2 and x equal to minus 2. These are the two values, and we calculate the function is maximum or minimum. दोन व्हॅल्यू साठी फंक्शन मॅक्सिमम आहे का मिनिमम ते आपल्याला आयडेंटिफाय करायचं. फर्स्ट इफ x equal to 2, then सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह त्या व्हॅल्यू पुढे पुट करायच्या. सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह या ठिकाणी 2 plus 96 upon 2 raised to 4. 2 plus 96 upon 16. 96 upon 16 we get 6. That is the plus 8. It means second derivative is positive. And if second derivative is positive, then we say that positive, then fx is maximum. Sorry, fx is minimum, not maximum. Minimum at x equal to 2. दिलेलं फंक्शन हे कसं आहे, मिनिमम आहे. जर आन्सर याचं पॉझिटिव्ह येत असेल तर सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. For minimum value we put x equal to 2 in the given function. पुढे पुट करायचे दिलेल्या फंक्शन fx is equal. Function is the x square plus 16 upon x square. त्यावरून आपल्याला मिनिमम व्हॅल्यू मिळते. सो वी गेट f of 2 equal to 2 square plus 16 upon 2 square. F of 2 is equal to 4 plus 16 by 4. F of 2 is equal to 4 plus 4. Therefore, f of 2 is equal to 8. F of 2 is equal to 8. So, that is the minimum value of the given function. Now, in case of x equal to minus 2, then second derivative, again we put x equal to minus 2 bracket square plus 16 upon minus 2 and bracket square. We get 4 plus 16 by 4. Again same result. So if x equal to minus 2 and x equal to plus 2, then given function is minimum. Therefore we say that at x equal to plus or minus 2, then f of x is minimum function. आणि त्यामुळे त्याची व्हॅल्यू जी किती मिळते आपल्याला 8. तर ते दोन्ही ठिकाणी आपल्याला सेम मिळेल दोन्ही ठिकाणी. तर ह्या पद्धतीने याचं सोल्युशन आपल्याला मिळवता येईल. नाउ नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल, दॅट इज नंबर 5. एक्झाम्पल नंबर 5. Number 5 is the simple. We take in the number 6, that will be fx equal to log x upon x. थोडेसे एक्झाम्पल जे डिफिकल्ट आहे असे एक्झाम्पल आपण यामध्ये घेतोय. यामध्ये तुमच्या लक्षात येईल की log x upon x थोडं सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह थोडासा डिफिकल्ट असू शकतो. प्रोसेस इज सेम. f dash x, apply the u upon v rule, derivative of u upon v, that will be denominator fix, denominator square, then denominator fix multiply derivative of numerator minus numerator fix into derivative of denominator into derivative of denominator, numerator upon denominator. ठीक है. तर derivative by using this rule u upon v. So that will be written as f dash x equal to denominator square, denominator is the x, their square, then v fix, v means denominator fix, x fix multiply derivative of numerator minus numerator fix into derivative of the denominator, that is called as the u upon v. So we get x multiply 1 upon x minus log x multiply derivative of x is 1 upon x square. So first derivative is equal to 1 minus log x upon x square. X and x cancel. These two x are cancelled. Again differentiate this. Again differentiate with respective x. Second derivative is equal to u upon mu, that will be denominator square, denominator fix multiply derivative of numerator minus numerator is 1 minus log x fix multiply derivative of denominator, that is x square. Same rule again, u upon v. X square into the bracket derivative of 1 is 0 minus 1 upon x minus into the bracket 1 minus log x derivative of x square is 2x upon x raised to upon काय झाला x raised to. Now simplify these terms. We are to simplify this term. Okay. See this x square, okay, and this x, one x is cancelled, we get remaining x. Second derivative equal to minus x minus 2 multiply 1 minus 2x minus minus plus 2x multiply log x divided by the x raised to 4. So f double dash x equal to minus 3x plus 2x multiplied by log x upon x raised to upon x raised to 4. Now, next step is for maximum and minimum. आपलं काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं मॅक्झिमम फंक्शन आणि मिनिमम फंक्शन. त्यासाठी x च्या व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करायचं आणि x च्या व्हॅल्यू कॅल्क्युलेट करायचे असतील तर आपल्याला f dash x equal to 0 पुट करायचं. we put f dash x equal to 0. So we get value of f dash x is 1 minus log x divided by the x square equal to 0. So 1 minus log x equal to x square multiply 0 is 0. Log x is transferred into RHS side. So that term is written as log x equal to 1. By using the definition of log, log x is equal to x equal to e raised to 1. And therefore x equal to e. There are the only one value. There are only one value. Now we identify the function is maximum or minimum. त्यासाठी काय करायचं दिलेली व्हॅल्यू सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह मध्ये सबस्टिट्यूट करायची. फॉर next time we put x equal to e in second derivative. So f double dash x is equal to minus 3 multiply e plus 2 into e log e upon e raised to 4 minus 3 plus 2e because of log e is the 1. This subtraction is minus e upon e raised to 4. That will be minus 1 upon e cube which is less than 0. And if less than 0 then this implies given function f(x) is maximum at x equal to e. At x equal to e. And if function is maximum at x equal to e, then we calculate the value of maximum. To calculate maximum value, calculate maximum value, and for this maximum value, for maximum value we put x equal to e in the given function. So therefore f of x equal to function is log x upon x. So we get log e upon e, that will be 1 upon. Therefore answer of this function is 1 upon maximum value 1 upon e at x equal to e. So that is the required solution of this example. Okay? Of this example. Now this question is completed now. Question number 9 is completed. Now we are taking the question number 10. Question number 10. That question is number 10. Divide the number 30 into two parts whose product is maximum. Product कसा आहे? Maximum. Okay. Whose product is maximum. So first we consider one part of this number is x, and second part is y equal to 30 minus x. One part किती x, तर रिमेनिंग किती असेल 30 minus x. त्याला आपण काय म्हणतो? पाय. Product of this number is maximum. Product कसा आहे? Maximum. So that will be written as f of x equal to x multiply y. F of x equal to x multiply y is the 30 minus x. Multiplication 30x minus x square. Differentiate with respect to x, we get 30 minus 2x. Second derivative again 30 derivative 0 minus 2x derivative 2 minus 2. Minus 2 means it is less than 0. Ultimately given product is maximum. Therefore we put f dash x equal to 0. So we get 30 minus 2x equal to 0. That will be written as 2x equal to 30. Therefore x equal to 50. So one part is 50. Then put x equal to 15 in y equal to 30 minus x. So that is y equal to 15. So these are the two parts of the number 30 which product is maximum. की ज्याचा प्रोडक्ट जो आहे तो कसा आहे? मॅक्झिमम आहे. ठीक आहे. तर याप्रमाणे एक्झाम्पल नंबर 10 कंप्लीट झालंय. त्यानंतर आपला हे जे एक्झाम्पल नंबर 11 सेम याच टाईपचं एक्झाम्पल आहे. सेम या टाईपचं. नेक्स्ट एक्झाम्पल घेऊ आपण नंबर 12. Example number 12. See this example. a wire of length, a wire of length 36 meter long, 36 meter is bent in the form of rectangle, in the form of rectangle, in the form of rectangle. Find the dimension of this rectangle when its area is maximum. Now since there are the wire whose length is 36 meter long, and from this wire we making a rectangle, okay? And dimension of this rectangle is considered as the x and y. In rectangle, opposite sides are equal and parallel. ह्या वायर पासून एक रेक्टँगल तयार केला आणि आपल्याला काय फाइंड आउट करायचं की त्याच्या ज्या डायमेन्शन आहेत ह्या किती असतील ज्यावेळेस त्याचा प्रोडक्ट जो आहे एरिया, तो एरिया मॅक्सिमम म्हणजे जास्तीत जास्त मोठा. थोडक्यात काय तर दिलेल्या वायर पासून जास्तीत जास्त मोठा रेक्टँगल तयार जर झाला तर त्याचे डायमेन्शन्स किती असतील. म्हणजे 11 आणि 12 चे जे क्वेश्चन आहेत सेम तोच क्वेश्चन इथं आहे, फक्त थोडासा फरक त्यामध्ये आहे. consider the dimension of rectangle are x and y respectively, are respectively. Now total distance, it means called as the perimeter. Okay? It is called as the perimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of a rectangle, so that is perimeter is 2 multiply x plus y equal to 36. Total wire within 36 meter. Therefore, x plus y equal to 18. Therefore, y equal to 18 minus x. Number 1 equation. Number 1. Now, area, that is length multiplied by breadth of rectangle. Area is represented by the function fx. Area will be represented by the fx. ठीक आहे. तर काय पाहतो आपण एरिया of the rectangle, that is length into breadth. Length of rectangle is x and breadth is the y. Fx is equal to x multiply y and value of y is 18 minus x. We multiply this x, we get 18x minus x square, and taking the derivative of this function. आपण काय केलं, दिलेल्या माहितीवरून आधी फंक्शन्स तयार केले आणि फंक्शन तयार झाल्यानंतर त्याला डिफरन्शिएट करायचं. डिफरन्शिएट फर्स्ट डेरिव्हेटिव्ह आणि सेकंड डेरिव्हेटिव्ह. Differentiate with respective x. So f dash x equal to 18 minus 2x. 18 x चा डेरिवेटिव 18. Again differentiate f dash x equal to 0 minus 2. That is minus 2. That is less than 0. And if second derivative is less than 0, then if second derivative is less than 0, then we say that function is product is maximum. This implies that product, this implies that area is maximum. Now put काय पुट करायचं f dash x equal to 0. If we put f dash equal to 0, then we get 0 equal to 18 minus 2x. Therefore 2x equal to 18 and value of x is equal to 9. If x equal to 9, then calculate the y. Okay? So put x equal to 9 in equation y equal to 18 minus x. So that is 18 minus 9, subtraction is 9. So length and breadth of the given rectangle is 9 and 9 centimeter. 9 and 9 centimeter. So in simple way, we have to solve this example. Our next number 13. Example number 13. Now in this example, number 13, a ball is thrown. A ball is thrown in the air. In the air, its height at any time t is given by h equal to 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. Find the maximum height it can reach. आता यामध्ये एक्झॅक्टली काय सांगितलं आपल्याला, तर ए बॉल इज थ्रोन इन द एअर. एक बॉल हवेमध्ये उंच फेकला आणि एक ठराविक हाईट पर्यंत तो बॉल उंच जातो, एक ठराविक टायमिंग मध्ये. आणि त्याचा ग्राफ काढल्यानंतर जे इक्वेशन तयार होत आहे ते या टाइपचे दिलं आहे. h इक्वल टू 3 प्लस 14t मायनस 5t. आणि आपल्याला काय कॅल्क्युलेट करायचंय, तर तो बॉल जास्तीत जास्त किती उंचीवर जाऊ शकतो, तर ते कॅल्क्युलेशन यामध्ये आपल्याला करायचं. आणि आपला उपयोग कशाचा करायचा, डेरिव्हेटिव्हचा, डिफरन्शिएशन. Now write the given function again. H equal to 3 plus 14t minus 5t square. We know about the process. First we differentiate with respective t. H dash equal to 3 plus derivative of 3 is 0. 14t derivative is 14 minus 5t square derivative is the 10t. So first derivative is 14 minus 10t. Again differentiate with respective t. We get h double dash x. H double dash. Derivative of 14 is 0 minus derivative of 10t is minus 10. So answer is minus 10. Minus 10 means less than 0. So this represent the given function is maximum. Now we put h dash equal to 0. So we get 0 equal to 14 minus 10t. So 10t equal to 14. Therefore, t is equal to 14 by 10. So final answer is 7 by 5. That is the value of t. Now we calculate the particular maximum height. Put t equal to 7, 5 in the function of h. Therefore we get h equal to 3 plus 14 multiply t is the 7 by 5 minus 5 into t square, that is 7 upon 5 square, 3 plus 14 to 7 the 98 upon 5 minus 5 into 49 upon 25. 7 square is 49 and 5 square is 25. So we get 3 plus 98 upon 5 minus 5 1 to 5 the 25. So 49 by 5. Taking the subtraction between these next two numbers, denominators are equal, so we subtract 98 minus 49. Again subtraction is 49. 98 minus 49. Cross multiplication, we get 15 plus 49 upon 5. And this addition, 9 plus 5, 14, 1 is carried. 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 1 is 60. 6. So 64 upon 5 units. तो बॉल कितनी हाइट हो रहा से 64 by 5 units पर. So that is the required solution. तर ह्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण आज बरेच एक्झाम्पल सॉल्व्ह केले. यानंतर पुढचे जे अतिशय महत्त्वाचे एक्झाम्पल आहेत याच्यापेक्षाही थोडे जास्त डिफिकल्ट आहे, तर ते एक्झाम्पल पुढच्या लेक्चर मध्ये आपण घेऊ. तोपर्यंत जे होमवर्क मध्ये तुम्हाला एक्झाम्पल सांगितले ते एक्झाम्पल तुम्ही यामध्ये सॉल्व्ह करा. ओके, बाय बाय. $30